Hey guys, I'm Aaron with LightBulbs.com, and today I'll be showing you how to retrofit your Star Trading brand Swedish Candelabra for a brighter light output. Here's what candelabras look like out of the box, and here's what they look like after we're done retrofitting them. These candelabras are authentic and directly imported from overseas, hence the need for a retrofit if you want the original intended brightness. Which brings me to my first step, attaching the US adapter. This is included with every candelabra, totally free of charge. If we turn it on now, you'll see that it lights up fine and has a dimmer appearance. For a brighter look, we want to use the US voltage bulbs. Now, the process of switching out these bulbs will require some manual work, but it's simple. All you need is a screwdriver and the Star Trading brand of US voltage bulbs, which are linked on each candelabra product page on our website. First, you want to make sure that your candelabra is unplugged. The US bulbs are slightly shorter, so we'll have to make a slight modification to the inside of the socket. It is very important that you ensure that the candelabra is unplugged anytime you access the inside of the socket. Now you can remove the first of the European bulbs. After that, we're going to use our screwdriver to adjust the tab at the bottom of the inside of the socket. We want to lift it up just slightly so that's resting at about a 35-degree angle. Be very careful lifting the tab and be sure not to alter the tabs on the side. Then you can screw in the US voltage bulb, plug in the candelabra, and ensure the other bulbs are still lighting up, which confirms that the current is hitting the bulb you just inserted and is making its way through the others. Then you can unplug the candelabra and repeat the process for the remaining bulbs, retrofitting them one at a time. And remember to always unplug the candelabra. And there you go, a brighter Swedish candelabra. I hope this was easy enough to follow. Again, I'm Aaron with LightBulbs.com, and thanks for watching.